Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Fan Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make strawberry shortcake donuts. These donuts are filled with fresh strawberries and whipped cream, just like the classic strawberry shortcake dessert. To get started, we're making the donut dough. Add 160 grams of warm milk to a stand mixer bowl along with 7 grams of active dry yeast. Let sit for 5 minutes until the yeast has activated. Then add 350 grams of bread flour, 52 grams of sugar, 7 grams of salt, and 1 egg. Using the dough hook attachment, mix the dough together for 5 minutes. Then add 42 grams of softened butter to the dough and mix for another 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is soft and stretchy. Grease a bowl of cooking spray and form the dough into a perfect ball. Add the dough to the bowl, cover and let rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once doubled, turn the dough out onto a clean surface and roll until the dough is about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3.5 inch round cookie cutter to cut out the donuts. Then add each donut to a square piece of parchment paper. You can re-roll the scrap dough to cut out about 2 more donuts. Cover the donuts with a cloth and let them rise for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Heat a fryer to 350 Fahrenheit and place a donut or 2 at a time with the parchment paper into the oil. Wait a few seconds and the parchment paper will release. Fry donuts on both sides until golden brown. Place each donut on a cooling rack to drain. Make sure the donuts have completely cooled before adding the filling. For the strawberry filling, cut 1/2 pound of strawberries into quarters and add them to a bowl along with 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix. Now add 1 cup of cream to the stand mixer bowl along with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Using the whisk attachment, mix the cream on medium speed until you get stiff peaks. Add the whipped cream to a piping bag and cut a tip. To fill the donuts, cut each donut halfway with a serrated knife, then using a small knife, create a pocket at the bottom. Pipe some whipped cream on one side of the donut, then add a spoonful of strawberries on the other side. Finish the donuts by dusting icing sugar on the tops of each donut. And that's it! These donuts are so delicious and fluffy. Strawberries and whipped cream go so well together. They really aren't too sweet either, but of course if you like them sweeter, you can always add more sugar to the strawberries or whipped cream. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.